Welcome back to Clevver Style.
You guys, we have really exciting news. You want to tell them together?
On three.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Clevver's going to New York. We're in New York. We're great New Yorkers.
Where are we going?
We're going to New York for an entire week, but first we need to prep our fashion for the trip because it's very important.
It's like almost the most important thing in the entire world. So we're here shopping right now at the mall. We're gonna style each other for New York. Exciting. And we're gonna buy 3 outfits for each other.
But all under $150. So we cannot exceed that amount today with all 3 outfits.
Yeah, which seems a little daunting, but it is possible, you know, to shop frugally.
Yeah, we can do it. And this is the thing. We also have the specific outfits we're picking out for our travel, for Instagram, and for a night look.
Yeah, which is a lot of possibility. I think.
Yeah, we could, also, we need to really make sure we're not shopping for ourselves.
I know.
I have to keep in mind, what would Sinead like?
That's right, because we both love fashion, but we dress so differently.
Very differently.
If you had to sum up my style, what would you say?
I would say sporty, chic, and edgy.
Yeah, I like that actually. I appreciate you saying chic. Sometimes I don't feel that chic. I was actually gonna say chic for you. That was my number one thing that came up. I also thought adventurous.
Ooh, okay,
Right?
I like that.
And bright, like a very,
Wow.
and not just in color, but like in patterns.
Like loud.
Yeah, like loud.
But we're not gonna be doing this as a tag team.
No.
We have to split up and find our looks separately because later we're going to be revealing the looks to each other. Let's do it!
All right, I think I'm gonna start at H&M because I think it's a good place to start.
Wait, excuse me, get out of here. No.
We're supposed to split up.
Then go on the other side of the store, I'll be on the other side of the store.
Okay, you go to
Just
the
trying
left,
to cramp
I'm gonna
my
go to the right. Okay, keeping in mind that I have 3 outfits, I think the best place to start is the sales section, right? It makes the most sense because I'm getting a little nervous just looking around. I'm like, 3 outfits, $150? So yeah, I'm gonna start on the lower end of things and then work my way up.
Found a complete outfit for her Instagram outfit in H&M. Let me show you a little bit of the things I got. First of all, she's gonna look so cute in this. And I know what you're thinking, you're like, Drew, that's a shirt. You know I'm gonna make it a dress. Also, Sinead's body is bomb and she can pull off anything.
Okay, I feel like it's not the smartest thing to go for accessories first, but like, tell me that this doesn't scream Drew Dorsey. Like, let's be real, right? So maybe I'll just use this as inspiration, but like, I haven't gotten any clothes in my bag yet.
Trying to find 3 outfits for $150 is really hard. Like, really hard. I don't know if LA is just expensive. No, this is just hard.
I realized very quickly that I had all Graham outfits and no going out outfits and no travel outfits. So I had to like put a bunch of stuff down, but I think I got the Graham outfit down.
You guys, I'm very excited because I found Sinead's complete Instagram look in H&M. $30 for a full outfit. She's gonna look fly, I'm very excited.
I came across this. I don't know where this is going yet, but it's going. Okay, so I went into Cotton On because I know the clothes are so comfortable there, and I was like, okay, this is perfect for a travel outfit. But I quickly like came to the realization that Drew's travel outfit needs to be like super matchy because I totally know her like comfy, cute style, and I love it so much. But what I was gonna say is that Drew and I are actually the same person when it comes to traveling. We are freezing. We freeze on airplanes, and also we don't want to touch the seat because we're both germaphobes.
Okay, you guys, I'm in Macy's. Sinead is somewhere. I found her Instagram look, but now I need to find her nighttime look or travel outfit. I feel like Macy's has a lot of good sales. I feel like I can find some good stuff in here. We'll see what happens. It's like some designer stuff, but it's too expensive for our budget, so on to the next.
So I'm trying this again in Nordstrom for a travel outfit, but I'm also gonna look for a going out outfit since everything's a little bit more chic-er here. Also a little bit more expensive, but I actually did pretty good with my first Graham outfit, so I think I might be able to pull it off in Nordstrom, but I don't know, fingers crossed, because everything is looking a little pricey.
I'm in Nordstrom right now in the BP section, and I found these pants for Sinead that I think would be so cute for her nighttime look, but they're $99. I only spent $30 so far, but I'm not willing to bust $99 on those pants. I feel like I can find something else. Okay guys, we have now traveled to another mall. We found each other.
Yes, it was time to like just switch malls just because we still have a couple things we need to get and we want to stay under budget. As much as we love the other malls, this is a little bit more in line.
More affordable. Like Forever 21, they also have an H&M here.
That's right.
A few other like random stores. So we'll see what we can find here.
I feel a lot more faith all of a sudden. So I'm ready. I'm ready to go. Round 2.
Let's do it. Sinead might kill me, but I really want to put her in this sexy lingerie number, like, and pair it with cute, like, jeans or something for her nighttime look. It's not her usual thing, but I think she looks so good in it.
All right, so we did it. This was such a good idea coming to this mall because I feel so much better about my entire selection.
Yeah, me too.
Now.
Me too. I think you're really gonna like these looks.
I think you're really gonna like my one.
I'm excited to see you in them.
So now we have to go back to the studio and show each other what we got. We're back at the office. I have my bags of stuff for Drew, and now I'm just gonna prep these all for her. This is a dress I found at Forever 21. And this is gonna be Drew's going out dress. New York's having like a heat wave, so I knew we had to go like light on the fabric because ain't nobody got time to be like sweating their butts off in New York City. This body chain, which is all tangled, but that's okay because we're gonna fix it, will go kind of underneath this.
When I was really nervous about it, I hope she likes it's a bright color, and she doesn't really like bright colors, but it's sporty, and I really like it, and I feel like our styles are similar in this regard.
I had to keep it super simple because I wanted the hat to be the star. So I went for a nice matching ensemble.
The Instagram look is my favorite, but you won't understand it until it's all together. I'm so excited for you to wear these.
I know, I'm excited too.
Okay, should we turn around on the count of 3?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Ooh.
Okay, we gotta like actually look through. I'm excited. I like what I see so far.
Okay, so this is your travel look.
Oh, I like it. I like it.
This is your night look.
Oh, that is interesting. All right.
And then this, I know it looks small, is your Instagram look.
Where's the thing that goes underneath this?
This is your little, for your boobies.
Whoa. First impressions, a little scared about this, but other than that, everything looks great. Your travel outfit, I kept it super simple because I really was obsessed with this beanie.
I love that.
Yeah.
I love a beanie. And wait, you know that a beanie is the only hat that I can wear because my head's so big.
I know, you've told me that.
Well,
your going out outfit is a little silky and leopard number.
Okay.
And then your Graham outfit, I actually did get you the tube top that you got me, except it's in red.
I love
with
that.
these black cargo pants.
I almost got you those cargo pants.
Yes, this is like, I literally, in that section at H&M, I was like, dude, like this is, we would wear all of these clothes.
Yep.
Cute. Earrings.
Oh my God, Sinead.
And a little bag.
Wait, you got really lucky with the accessories and you did a really good job of it. I feel like I didn't
Thanks,
accessorize
man.
you at all.
I want you to look good as much as I want to look good.
Thanks. Okay, I guess we'll start with our travel outfit and put it on.
Yay, excited.
Oh my God. I'm obsessed. I love this so much. I feel, this is what I was going for with this. Like if you're walking through the airport, someone's like, oh my God, is that Sinead de Vries? I think that's Sinead de Vries. And it's like, oh my God, I don't want to go out to her. She looks so cool.
Oh my God, it's so funny. I love it so much. It's so, like I'm so blessed in this outfit, you know? But I love this so much. It's really cute. It's very much like my style, just a little bit like with more of your vibe to it, but I actually really dig it a lot.
I like this.
So how do you feel?
I love this.
Yeah,
honestly, you did
comfy.
such a good job. I feel super comfortable and like really cute. I love my beanie.
Yeah.
And my matching little bag. I could put like my lip gloss in there,
Yeah.
my phone in
Yeah.
there, my charger, like all the essentials, you know?
Yeah.
Just feel like I could do a marathon.
I know, and like that was my biggest thing. These leggings, only $6.
$6.
Yeah. They're
$5.99.
$5.99 and they come in so many different colors, so I picked them up. They're
And
really
they
good.
make my butt look good, and
They
that's
do.
hard to do.
They
Like
really
with certain
do.
leggings, like you have to buy expensive ones, but these are $6. I
Yeah,
love this, Sinead,
$6.
honestly.
Okay, good. But you feel comfortable, you feel like you can, you know, get through a 6-hour flight
Extremely.
in this
I
outfit.
forgot it was 6 hours.
6 hours.
Oh, also, fun fact, this is the men's section.
I was wondering, you know, because I went into the Forever men's section and I was like, some of these clothes are better than the women's section. There's
Yeah.
a couple of different things.
Cool stuff in there.
Yeah, that was really
It's
cool.
got a tiny one. Okay, let's go to our night looks.
Okay, I'm ready.
Look at the back. Look at the back. I'm so happy
This is
about
really
this.
nice. I like this a lot.
I'm very happy about this.
Yeah, it's super comfy. It's super cute. It's not too revealing, actually. Just like looking at the hanger, I was like, eh. But now that it's on, I'm like, you know? Also, this like butt lifter jeans, like what is this about?
Listen, it's lifting, right?
Yeah, but like what is the science behind that?
I don't know. It's like the material of it all.
I think it's like the way that they line it, because the label literally was like, put these on and your ass will look amazing. And I was like, oh, okay.
Saw that and I was like, she has to get those.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Also, if you haven't seen them yet, but they're just hoops with your Instagram outfit that I wanted you to wear with these.
Yeah, this is perfect. This dress looks so good on you. I actually really like it. I'm a little bit nervous about the length. I'm sorry.
What?
Yeah, I mean, like, just as long as there's no like wind or somebody doesn't
Can't
like
move too fast.
Sneeze too hard near you.
Right.
You're gonna be fine, you know. But I really like the body chain a lot.
The body chain under the dress.
Yeah, and I know that you had a body chain before and it was damaged.
It was damaged during an act of love.
Small sunglasses because I wanted the outfit is really busy. There's a lot of like things going on, so I felt like a little small, like, you know, something real chic.
Yeah.
I got you a scrunchie.
On my head.
That'll eventually go on your head. But yeah, how do you feel?
I feel comfy. You know, I normally would not have put these pieces together for an outfit, but I'm not mad at it. And it's because like having someone else's perspective dressing you, like it makes you think of things together that you never would have put together before. Night look, should we go on to Instagram?
Yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, I knew something had to go wrong, but let's just talk about my first.
Okay, first of all, I know this is like different for you. It's revealing and it's very small.
You know, I have a 3-year-old, but it's fine. It is revealing, but I wear revealing clothes.
Yeah.
For the most part, but it's really short. I think that's the only thing, because I actually like I really like a sheer top. I have a lot of sheer tops.
Yeah.
It's like part of my style because I like wearing things underneath, and I also like being able to change things underneath the top because I feel like you got multiple outfits out of one thing.
Yeah.
The only thing that makes me a little like, it's like knowing I'd be walking down the street like in public with this too, because this I'm just like,
but they're like. Yeah, this is the thing. I wanted this to be longer.
Right, and you honestly thought it was gonna be longer.
I wanted it to be longer.
If anything, I would just be like, maybe wear this, you know, like pin it up or something. But like maybe like tie it and wear it with like some jean shorts or something like that. At least I can wear my top. You can't even wear yours.
Sinead. As soon as I picked it up, I was like,
I knew it. Yeah, but how do you feel about the rest of the outfit?
I love the rest of it. I love the earrings. I love how it matches the top and the purse. It's all very 90s.
Yeah.
I'm happy about the rest of it.
Yeah. Okay, so do you want to know our grand totals?
Of what we spent?
Yes, by the end of the entire journey.
Okay, to be fair, I know that it was like, I think it was like $11 over $150.
Oh, you do you?
Yours.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
How much was it?
Okay, so our budget was $150. You came in at $181.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
I did not spend $30 over.
Listen, the receipts don't lie.
Can I just not do math? I thought I was only $11 over, and I even said it at the register. I was like, oh, only $11.
Yeah.
Like didn't say anything.
You
so
also
like,
told me you were $11 over too, multiple times. I came in just a little bit less than that.
What did you do?
With $120.14.
Of course, there's okay, so it kind of weighed out the difference.
Yeah, I guess you're right, it did.
3 outfits for under $200.
Yeah, honestly, like considering like all of the stuff that we got and like if I really pay attention, like these earrings were $3. This bag was $6.
Insane.
And I just took a little bit extra time to like go and actually pay attention to the sales section. So yeah, it can be done, you guys.
Okay, you guys, I had so much fun doing this. Sinead, did you like it too?
I loved it.
Okay, you guys, let us know if you like this type of video because we've never really done this whole styling each other thing before. Let us know, comment section below if you want us to see us try more things styling each other.
Yeah, what should we style each other for next?
So many things. Weddings, parties.
I know, we should get new friends because we need to find weddings and parties to go to.
And all those things.
Yeah, but you guys, seriously though, Clevver is headed to New York City. It's our destination content week, and it's all coming to you starting Saturday. And honestly, it's gonna be amazing. I mean, we haven't been there yet, so we don't know what any of the videos are like.
I have a feeling it's gonna be amazing.
But I have a really good feeling too.
And there's so many videos.
So many videos.
I'm so excited.
So you in the future are about to get all of that content.
It's gonna be good. Also, you guys, make sure you subscribe to Clevver Style if you haven't done so already because, like we said, so much good content coming your way. Also, hit that bell so you never miss when the good content is posted.
Yeah, starting Saturday.
Saturday.
So be here, Saturday.
See you in New York. Bye!
But before you go, there's more awesome, fun, and kind of weird content where that came from. So click right over here for another brand new video. And then, of course, click the subscribe button, which should be right down here. Do it. Click it. Click it. Click it.